Cabarelli round the wicket now to Jayasuriya. Picked up with nonchalance and flicked over mid-wicket.
Picked up nicely. That's the long part of the ground.
Another short-arm jab. Really shortness of...
There he goes again. That's enormous. That's into the Western Terrace. That's where Kabir needs most of his fielders.
Oh, that's gone miles. Way over the top. Will it go for six? I don't believe it.
Well, that's a terrific hit again. Right across the line. First. The arms on the offside, but not on the on. Hit that well enough.
Yeah, I'm impressed with...
He's gone in the air, but just keep watching that shot. That's a huge hit.
Shot. Just take a look at that. That was short and just a swill. And away she goes.
Got that one over me. Oh, this is unbelievable. That's six. A magnificent shot from just outside off stump.
Another little bonk over the infield.
Got over the top and got out one.
Doesn't matter.
He's produced 3 smashing shots. It's very quiet and certainly is now
Good hit. It is a good hit. It's gone all the way.
magnificent straight drive. The best we have seen from Sanath in this innings so far. Clean hit, great pickup, straight as an arrow.
Hold it. That's a good shot. That's what you need to do more often.
Goes big, goes hard, over, long on for a massive 6.
That's a good shot. That's six. It's a biggie. Way into the crowd.
He's gone again. And this one's a max. Yes, sir.
Oh, shot over cover, and I think it may have gone all the way. Russell Tiffin just having a check logger.
What a shot. What a shot by Jayasuriya. I think a little bit premeditated, but Sanath Jayasuriya is so strong. He's a little pocket rocket.
Drop this one short, and it's over.
For Franklin. Just a bit of a loose, no, hasn't quite got his length. And Jayasuriya goes.
Wide. And see you later.
Well, he's hit two. This one. This is over third man. Fast hands, too wide, too short.
Oh, he's hit that one. It's gone all the way again. It's another six. Yes.
Tremendous hand-eye coordination. A lot of bottom hand in that shot. Oh, he's gone again. He's gone huge. That's a beauty. That's nicely played.